Break free from chronic cough with homeopathy. A cough that lasts over 8 weeks in adults is more than a nuisance. It might indicate deeper issues like postnasal drip, sinus issues GERD, or even asthma. While tests may come back normal, you are still left clearing your throat or battling nasal blocks daily. Morning throat clearing, post-nasal drip, recurrent coughing spells, nasal congestion, or a history of heartburn can all point to chronic cough. These signs aren't just frustrating, they can disrupt your quality of life. Homeopathy remedies like Ignatia, Silicea, acid nitricum and kali iodide provide targeted care for healing. Remember, consulting a professional ensures it's safe and effective for you. Take charge of your health. Contact our experts today for a personalized consultation. Feel better, naturally.